Thank you for joining us now. It's equities market now. The Nigerian Exchange Limited closed positive amidst buy interest and sell-offs as bulls regain dominance, driving up the broad market. The share index appreciated by 8.08% to close at 51,953.41 basis points. In the same vein, market capitalization remained flat to close at 28.3 trillion naira. Well, the year-to-date returns settled at 0.69%. Now, the stock market has advanced by 358.75 basis points since the start of the year. It jumped to 8.1% earlier in the year before dropping down to a low of 0.67% as at the close of Wednesday. So let's get talking now. Ademola Adabale, Head Research at Atlas Portfolios Securities, joins us now for more insight. Thank you for joining us now, Ademola. We appreciate you for coming on board. Good to see you again.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So in recent time, especially since the second quarter started, we've seen the market trended southward since the beginning of the month. So talk to us about this new trend. But of course, yesterday there's a bit of hope. What's happening now?
Yeah, thank you very much. So in the last 6 days, the market has been dropping, massive sell-off in the market. So that was purely due to sell-off by investors in both the medium and large capitalized stocks, which can be actually attributed to weak investor sentiment in the capital market, because number one, most of the companies, the investors will basically have opened the release of some financial results by the companies, and you can see that yesterday the market was flat. And another point I want to highlight yesterday was that we have more gainers than losers, unlike what we've been having the last 6 days. So, which is due to renewed interest by investors in some stocks, when some of them have released their dividends will be paying for 2022, and they've also reviewed their audited financial reports for 2022. So investors are able to look at it and look at some good fundamentals in some of these companies, and are able to come back to the capital market to look to take position in some of these stocks. That was why we have some of those stocks gaining yesterday, but quite unfortunate that the market actually closed flat.
So what trigger should we be expecting in the coming days? Because according to analysts, some analysts are saying that the turnover on the Nigerian exchange has been trending downward, saying it shows that the investors are less interested in equities than they were during the run-up to February's general election. So what's your take on this? What trigger should we be expecting? What is likely to change in the coming days?
Yeah, like I said, that it was due to the investor weak sentiment. That was why we've been seeing sell-off for quite some time, you know. So and
well, I was going to perhaps get to hear what Demola has to say about that. Perhaps we may expect some trigger to change. Okay. So I'm aware you're there now. Please talk to us.
Okay, so I was saying that looking at the triggering factors, what we were looking into was these companies and their performance in 2022. Despite the economic headwinds, investors were looking at companies that could still scale through and make profits and being able to declare dividends. And this is what we saw in the first quarter. That
I guess we're still having this connection with Ademola. When we can have him again, of course, we have him talk to us on his thought there. So, okay. Are you still there, Ademola?
No, can you hear me?
Oh, okay, please, go ahead.
Okay, so I was saying that investors were looking at companies' fundamentals, countries with good fundamentals in their audited report for 2022. So, which is a trigger factor for them to invest in capital market because the sentiment has been weak after the election. Also going to the second quarter, investor sentiment has been so weak, and you see some bellwether stocks dropping, like Venture Africa is losing 20% in 2 weeks and stuff like that. But nevertheless, when some of these companies began to release their audited reports for 2023, investors were able to see that some were performing very well despite all the microfinance headwinds in the country, you know. So despite high inflation.
Okay. So let me quickly jump in here so that we can wrap it up on this note. You said the investors are waiting for fundamental report, strong fundamental report of these companies. Have you seen some of these numbers? Are they strong enough fundamentally to perhaps boost the confidence in the market? That's on the one hand. And the second hand, of course, we expect inflation figures to come in at the weekend. How is the market likely to react to that? Take us home now.
The market goes flat. Because some of these companies manage to record profit despite microeconomic headwinds in the last year. So they manage to record profit and they grew both in their top line and bottom line items. And some will even depend dividend more than the previous.
I guess we're having a difficult time here in Ademola Adabale there. Perhaps we'll just have to wrap it up here. But if you can hear me, I'd just like you to land on your thoughts so we can wrap up on this note. Are you there, Ademola?
I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I said, so far, some of the companies that have been with investors were encouraged because they were able to manage growth in both their top line and bottom line. They were able to generate revenue and they were able to declare good dividends in some of these companies. So that was why investors took interest in some of these stocks. And then looking at inflation reports that is coming, of course, we expect inflation to go up. There's no doubt about it. And investors are also going to react to this because when inflation goes up, that means it's going to reduce purchasing. And it's also going to affect the market because investors are going to look for asset class that is able to beat the current inflation rate.
Okay.
So we don't have a turn on the equity market as well.
Okay, a good place to leave it. Let's leave it there. Thank you so much for your time, Ademola Adabale. He's the head research at Atlas Portfolio Securities. Thank you for coming on board. We appreciate your time. Still to come after the break, the World Food Program, an organization within the United States, has stated that 64.3 million Nigerians do not have enough food to eat. What's the implication of this? Well, that's our focus next when we return from this break. Please stay with us.